I just want to clarify for you guys what you have due next Wednesday at your personal writing conference, and also the schedule for the next month of class. So let's start with a checklist. I posted a video on the research process and taking you through the different steps. So I'd like you to choose your topic this week and find at least two sources online or in the database that will support your argument. And I recommend that you also use sources we have read in class, but for the assignment this week, you're finding different sources. So, after you watch the video on the research process, you select your topic and you start researching, you're going to write up your research proposal. And you're going to come to class with your research proposal on November 25th, and you're going to pitch your topic to me, meaning you're going to explain it to me and tell me why you've chose it and explain where you found your sources so far. So let's look down here quickly. Here's where you sign up for your writing conference. Some of you have already signed up. We've got a couple of spots left. Well, we've got quite a few. So you'll come in for your 10-minute appointment. This is mandatory, by the way. So here is what your research proposal should include. It should have your topic, your research question, a description of the focus, the purpose, and some of the sources you have found online. So here is an example. Okay, you can look through the examples, use them as a model, and when you come, you're not going to just be reading to me or handing this to me. You're going to actually be looking at me in the eyes and telling me what you're researching and why it's important to you. Okay? Let's go back. So you're not just coming with your research proposal, you've got a couple other things to do. I've posted a really important assignment about evaluating sources because I want you guys to be able to find sources using Google or other search engines, all right? But you first need to read up on how to evaluate a source online to make sure that you can use it in your research paper. So here's the page, Evaluating Sources, and actually websites. You're going to take a quiz first. You can take this quiz again and again. You're going to need to show me proof when you come to the conference that you took the quiz and you got 100%. So you can either show me on your phone or you can print out the results. Either way, I just want to see that you did the quiz. And then we also have a handout on evaluating websites. So I want you to fill out that handout and bring that to me on Wednesday as well. So you're coming with three things: the evaluating websites handouts, the quiz results, and your research proposal. Is that clear? I want you to go through these different websites, and these things just talk about how to search online and different search engines that are useful in finding different sources for your research paper. And after you evaluate the two websites that I've posted, let me pull that up for you. Here's the handout. So you're going to look at these two different websites. Here's one. You're going to answer these questions. And you're going to evaluate the website. Is it truthful and reliable? Can you use it for your research paper? Yes or no? And you're going to look at this one, the New York Times. You're going to evaluate it. And you're going to answer yes or no. It's good or it's not good for my research paper. It's really important that you're using sources that are credible for your research paper. If you're using Wikipedia, then no one is going to really believe the information that you found from there. It weakens your argument greatly if you're not using legitimate sources. So let's go back. After you have completed these exercises here, you're going to go and find one website that you can use to support your topic, and you're going to post the link to the forum for the week. You're going to tell us also why you're interested in the article and your topic, and write a really brief summary of the article. So let's see where we are on the checklist. So you're writing your research proposal, you're doing the evaluating sources handouts and taking the quiz. You're posting the one link to an article you found to the forum and explaining why it interests you. And you're also going to start working on your note-taking. So remember, that was this little outline I showed you guys in the research process video. Start working on it. The evidence that you find to support your different subtopics, start paraphrasing it or adding your quotes here, because this is going to be something you turn in. And it's going to be good to do it gradually and not all in one night. So as you read, add the different ideas here. And lastly, I wanted to just go over the schedule with you. So, as you know, we have a 10-minute meeting on the 25th. That's Wednesday. The week after, we're going to be doing a Socratic seminar on Chapter 4. You're going to prepare questions about Chapter 4 and different quotes, and then we're going to go interview the Gateway students. And I'd like you to think of different questions related to your topic that you can ask these students. On the 9th, is that correct? Yeah. On the 9th, we're going to have our in-class final and a little forum with our authors, the authors we've read from class. And then on the 14th, this is Monday, this is going to be the day you turn in your research paper and get your final back, and the day we do the talent show. All right, so if you have any questions about what we have to do this week, let me know, and I'll see you all on Wednesday at the specific time you decide to come in. All right, see you soon.